Good morning, my dear students. Today start lecture number 13, sequences and series. Lecture number 13, sequences and series continue. Example number 4. Example number 4. Find the sum of all two digit numbers which when divided by divided by 4 yields 1 as remainder. Listen here. Example number 4. Find the sum of all two-digit numbers which when divided by 4 but remainder should be 1. Two-digit numbers. This is important. Two-digit numbers divided by 4 as a remainder is 1. Solution. Let here divided by two-digit numbers. Two-digit number starting is what? 10, 11, 12, 4 3 is 12, remainder is 0, 13, 4 3 is 12, remainder is 1. Yes, first number 13, two-digit numbers 13. Next 17, next 21, up to so on. Last number is what? 97. Last number is what? 97. This is in the form of what? T1, T2, Tn. This is in the form of what? That is AP. AP form is there. Yes, AP form. Here AP form. Here A is what? 13. Common difference 4. Tn 97. To find what? To find n is equal to what? We know that Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus n minus 1 into D. Here Tn is 97, A is 13. Here common difference is 4 is equal to 13 plus 4n minus 4. 13 minus 4 is 9 plus 4n. Here 97. 97 minus 9 is what? 88. 88 4n. Here 88. That is n is equal to 22 number of terms. Here 22 terms here divided by 4 yields as remainder 1. How many? Find the sum. Sum means to find Sn. Sum means Sn, find out sum. We know that Sn is equal to, sum means Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into D. N number of terms 22. Yes, 22 is equal to 22 divided by 2. 2 into 13 plus 22 minus 1 21 difference 4 is equal to 11. Here 26 plus 84 is equal to 11. Here 6 plus 4 10 11 110 is equal to 1 2 10. That is the answer. Any doubt here? 2-digit numbers take divisible by 4, as a remainder should be 1. First number 13, 4 3s are 12, remainder should be 1. Listen here, 4 3s are 12, remainder should be 1. Next 17, 4 3s are 4 4s are 16, remainder should be 1. That numbers consider. And number of terms n equal to 22. How many terms? Sum means Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is the formula. Number of terms n is 22. Substitute, will get 1210. Next example number 5. Application type is there. In this application type, AP type, GP type mixed is there. Next example number 5. The sum of the sum means Sn, sum of some terms, sum under few, some terms of GP is 3, 1, 5. This is Sn. The sum means Sn. This is sum means Sn. Sum of some terms of GP is 3, 1, 5, whose first and whose first term and the common ratio, whose first term and the common ratio are 5 and 2 respectively. Find the last term. This is Sn. This is Sn is there. This is A is there. This is R is there. To find Tn, last term means to find Tn is equal to what? First solution, given terms is what? Solution given Sn is equal to 3, 1, 5. Sn is given, sum is given, and first term and common ratio 5 and 2 respectively. First term is 5 and common ratio is equal to 2 respectively. To find number of terms, n is equal to what? We know that Sn is equal to here common ratio defined which definition? GP, geometric progression. This is greater than 1 in the form of GP. In the form of what? GP form. Here Sn of GP, if R is greater than 1, formula is what? A times R to the power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. This is GP series. Because give reason here 2 means common ratio. Common ratio means R present in AP or GP, definitely GP. Sn 315 is equal to A is what? First term given 5. are also given 2 power n finding divided by 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Here 5 take at left divided by 5. 2 minus 1 is 1, that is 5 6 are 30. 3 1 5 divided by 5 is equal to 2 power n minus 1. 5 6 are 5 3 are is equal to 2 power n minus 1. Minus 1 take at left. Minus 1 take at left, that is 63 minus 1 becomes 64 is equal to 2 power n. Here 2 power 6 is equal to 2 power n. Therefore n is equal to 6 by the law of indices, because a power x is equal to a power y, which implies x is equal to y. Here n is over to find what? Yes, to find last term. To find last term. Do you know that last term formula is what? Last term means last term. Last term. Last term. T1 is the first term. T2 is the second term. Last term is what? Tn. Yes. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A plus n minus 1 into d. That is here number of terms. Number of terms is what? 6. Yes, T6. A is what? Already given 5 plus number of terms 6. 6 minus 1 5. Common difference here to find a into r to the power, that is mistakes. The formula here AP is there, don't confuse it. A into r to the power, that is in the form of what? Sorry, GP form is there. In the form of GP, Tn is equal to a into r to the power n minus 1. T1 is the first term A, here T2 is AR second term, last term a into r to the power n minus 1. Keep in your mind, here AP type, GP type, confuse it here. A into r to the power n, here A is what? A is what? 5. Common ratio r is what? 2 power n minus 1. Number of terms 6 minus 1. 5 into 2 power 5 is equal to 5 into 32. 5 2s are 10. Remaining on 16. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1 16. 160. That is the last term. You are understood? That is, keep in your mind, that is the last term. Next, example number 6. Next, example number 6. The first term, example number 6, the first term, this is 3 marks. The first term of a GP, first term of a GP is 1. First term of a GP is 1. The sum of the third term and the fifth term and the fifth term is 90. Find the common ratio of the GP. Find common ratio. find common ratio of the GP. Find the common ratio of the GP. Here that is R find out. Given what? This is the GP is the first term. First term is this is A. And sum means Sn. Sum means Sn. Third term and fifth term is 90. T3 and T5 is equal to 90. Sum should be the sum meaning add, not Sn. Sum meaning add. Sum of the third term, not finding. The sum of the third term and fifth term is 90. Clear? The sum of the third term and fifth term is 90. Solution. Let first term A is given. First term is what? A is given. And given one more condition, that is what? That is very important point. Given third term means T3. Sum means add it. T3 and T5. T5 is equal to 90. Understood? Adding. Given. Do you know that the GP series is what? A plus AR plus AR square plus AR cube plus A into R to the power 4 plus A into R to the power n minus 1. This is the GP series. Here this is T1, this is T2, this is T3, this is T4, this is T5. In this form is there. Take T3 and T5. T3 is what? In the form of GP, A into R to the power 2 plus A into R to the power 4 is equal to 90. Is equal to 90. Where A is given, A is what? A is equal to 1, R square plus R to the power 4 is equal to 90. This is in the form of right, otherwise R power 4 plus R square is take left minus 90 is equal to 0. This is in the form of what? Biquadratic equation. Quadratic equation. By quadratic equation, solve these one, that is in the form of what? Here R power 4 plus 90 can express 10 into 9, 10 minus 1, 10 minus 9, 1. R power 4, 10R square minus 9R square. Understood? 10R square minus 9R square is what? 1R square. 90 split minus 90 is equal to 0. These two. R square taking common, R square plus 10 minus 9 taking common, R square plus 10 is equal to 0. Here R square minus 9 is equal to 0, one term. R square plus 10 is equal to 0, another term. This is not considered because imaginary root, this one is reject. Consider this one, that is R square minus 9 is equal to 0. R square is equal to 9. R is equal to what? Plus R minus 3. Plus R minus 3. Here find the common ratio. And number of terms is there. 1, 3 square. And 1 minus 3 and 9. In this form is there. Given is very important. Next, example number 6 is over. Next, example number 7. Next example number 7. Example number 7. Find the sum of the product of find the sum of the product of the corresponding terms of the sequences 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and 128, 32, 8, 2, 1 by 2. Solution. Sum and product. Sum means add, product means multiplication. Corresponding sequences, that is let that is first term 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, first sequence, and corresponding sequence number of terms 128, 32, 8, 2, 1 by 2. Corresponding sum of the product of the corresponding, here in this form of product and sum, that is in the form of what, that is 128 into 2, 128 into 2, the sum of the product of the corresponding terms. Next 4 into 32 plus 8 into 8 plus 16 into 2 plus 32 into 1 by 2. 32 into 1 by 2. Number of terms here 256 plus 32 into 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 128 plus 8 into 8 64 plus 16 into 2 32 plus 16. This is T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4 plus T5. Number of terms, how many terms? Sum, Sn. We know that the here corresponding in the form of which series, AP or GP is there. Here that is 16 divided by 32 is what? Here 1 by 2. 32 divided by 64 is 1 by 2. This is in the form of what? This is in the GP series. In this place, GP series, where A is what? GP series, A is what? 256. Common ratio or any term divided by previous term, 128 by 256 is what? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 less than 1. We know that Sn of GP, R is less than 1 formula apply. GP, R is less than 1 formula is what? A times 1 minus R to the power n divided by 1 minus R is equal to number of terms. How many number of terms? Total 5 terms is there. Sum is n is equal to 5. N is equal to total 5 terms. S5 find out. S5 is equal to, that is here A is what, 256, 256, 256. 1 minus R is what, 1 by 2 to the power n is 5. That here in the form of what, here divided by 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 256. Here 1 minus 1 to the power any number is always 1 to the power 5. Here 1 minus 1 by 2 is what, 1 by 2. Next here, that is to take at up, which implies this to take at up, that is 256 into 2. 1 minus 1 by 5, apply LCM. 2 power 5 is what, 32. Here 32 minus 1, 32 minus 1 is 31. Here 2 ones are 2 16s are 16, 16s are 256. 16 here last, S5 is equal to, that is 16 into 31 value. Here 496, 16 into, that is 31, 496, that is the value, 496. Here listen here, keep in your mind, my dear students, condition is what, sum of the product of the corresponding sequence. Sum means add, product, and here 5 terms and 5 terms is there, first 5 terms, second 5 terms, and product it, multiplies, order wise multiply and add. 2 into 128 or 4 into 32, 2 into 128, 4 into 32, 8 into 8, 16 into 2, 38 into 1 by 2. How many terms? Total 5 terms is there. Here in the form of or AP or GP, definitely common ratio is there. This is in the form of GP. Here A is what, 256. Common ratio is what, 1 by 2, less than 1, number of terms 5. Apply the formula for Sn of GP. A times 1 minus R to the power n divided by 1 minus R. Here A is what, 256. R is what, 1 by 2. N is 5. Simplify. 2 power 5 is what, 32. This 1 by 2 take at numerator. 1 by 2 becomes 2. LCM 32 minus 1, 31. 31 divided by 32. Here this is 2 16s are 2 16s are 16 16 256. Here 16 into 31 496. This is the common value for that one is there. And example number 8. Example number 8. If the fourth 16th, 4th, 10th and 16th terms of a GP are X, Y and Z respectively. Prove that X, Y and Z are in GP. Here if the 4th, 10th and 16th terms of a GP are X, Y and Z respectively, prove that X, Y and Z are in GP. Solution. Let AR square up to so on are in the form of GP is there. GP is there. If you consider term T4, fourth term is what? A into r to the power 3. Here a into r to the power n minus 1 in the form of GP series, GP sequence is equal to respectively x, equation number 1. Next 10th term, a into r to the power 9, a into r to the power 9 is equal to y respectively. 16th term, a into r to the power 15 is equal to z respectively, equation number 3. Here that is in the form of what? Or in the form of GP is there. Definitely if you take b square means y square is equal to equation number 2 square, y square equal to a into r to the power 9 whole square. This can be expressed in the form of what? A square into r to the power 9 into 2, 18. By the law of indices, a power m whole power n, a power m into n is there by the law of indices, because ab whole power m can written a power m b power m. Here that is, this can be expressed in the form of what? A into r to the power, separate form is there, that is in the form of r to the power 3, r to the power 15, separate. One term of a combination, a into r to the power 3 into a into r to the power 15. These two. This is the from equation number 1. This is from equation number 3. That is value is what? This is in the form of what? X. This is in the form of what? Z. Therefore, y square equal to z. Therefore, x, y, and z are in GP. This is the proof that x, y, z are in the form of GP. Next, example number 9. Example number 9. Next example number 9 is there. Example number 9. If A, B, C and D are in GP, show that A square plus B square plus C square into B square plus C square plus D square is equal to AB plus BC plus CD whole square. That is, here A, B, C and D are in the form of GP. Show that A square plus B square plus C square into B square plus C square plus D square is equal to AB plus BC plus CD whole square. GP, show that A square plus B square plus C square is equal to, that is solution. Let A into R square, A into R cube are in GP terms, respectively. This is treated as A, this is B, this is C, this is D, are in GP. Now LHS is equal to A square plus B square plus C square into B square plus C square plus D square is equal to, here A is what? A is A in the form of square plus B is what? A into R in the form of square, A R square plus C is what? A into R square, A square R to the power 4 into bracket B square, B is what? A square R square plus C square, A square R to the power 4 plus D square, A square R to the power 6. Here taking common, here complete, this is taking common, A square taking common 1 plus R square plus R to the power 4, A square R square common 1 plus R square plus R to the power 4 is equal to these two product, A power 4 R square into 1 plus R square plus R to the power 4, equation number 1 in LHS side. In RHS side verify, that is RHS is equal to, LHS is over, RHS is equal to AB plus BC plus CD whole square respectively are in the form of A, B, C, D, are in the form of GP, that is A is what? A into B is what? A into R plus B is what? A into R, C is what? A into R square, plus C is what? A into R square, D is what? A into R cube, whole square as it is, is equal to A into A square R plus A into A square R cube plus A square R to the power 5 whole square is equal to, here that is taking common this one, A square R taking common, remaining is what? 1 plus R square plus R to the power 4 square as it is, this is also square as it is separate, is equal to A power 4 R square 1 plus R square plus R to the power 4 whole square, equation number 2. Yes, equation number 1, equation number 2, A power 4 R square 1 plus R square plus R to the power 4, LHS is equal to RHS, therefore here if A, B, C, D are in GP, show that LHS is equal to RHS. A take first term, A, B, C, D are in GP. Right, substitute A value, B value, C value and D value, LHS side and RHS verify. That is okay. Lecture number 14 I will explain in the next class. Good.